What's going on, everyone? This is going to be a quick unboxing of the HJC helmet. This is the C91 model. I bought it on Monday, came in Thursday. So I'm currently in Germany, so I bought this at Lowe's. They were selling it at a discounted price of almost 100 euros, and then I paid 6 euros for shipping. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So this is it right here. You can see the C91 model. It's a modular helmet. Got 2 vents, one here, then another one here. Then it also has a sun visor. We also have a quick release. Right here. I tried it on in the store before I bought it, and it felt pretty good. I just wanted something cheap that I can ride around with when I wear glasses again and then. Sometimes I have issues putting on a helmet with glasses, so yeah. So this is what the helmet looks like close up. You can open and close this. Same thing for here, open, close. And in the back, you can put the sun visor down, pull it back. So you do that by operating this thing back here. So that's what the front looks like, the side. Got HJC and the model. And in the back it has some airflow right there. And the same thing on the side again. And this has the ability, you can hook up your own Bluetooth system on this. I think you can use 2 different models on this one. Then in the front, you just use this button to open it. And as I said, this right here is a quick release. Once I put it on, you'll see how I operate it. And you have a chin skirt here. That's about it. All right, I'll put it on for you guys. I'm so used to wearing full face helmet, I gotta get used to wearing a modular helmet. Oh yeah, it also has glasses inserts. Like, it has a little insert to put your glasses in. So I like to put my helmet on like 3/4 of the way, then put the glasses in and put it in. And as I was saying before with this quick release, so just push it in, it's locked. You want to open it, just pull the button, just pull it out. Once again, just push it in. Lock, not going anywhere. You just pull the button. And you can even do it with one hand. Let's try it too. Like, oh yeah, we can. There we go. All right. Okay. Let's try the sun visor. Doesn't touch my glasses. Lid down. So this is what it looks like from the front, from the side, from the back, and from the side again. But yeah, I'll put everything about this helmet in the description. If you guys have any questions, just let me know and I'll get back with you. All right, peace.